Hi, my name is Brian Wiklendt. I work here at Garfinkel Schwartz. I'm in the Titusville office right now, which is near Port Canaveral in Florida. We also have an office in Maitland, Florida, which is right near Orlando. It's a suburb of Orlando. But my office basically is all across the country, to be honest with you, because I travel all around the country helping people that are injured overseas and the people that are injured in the ports all around the country. And so I do a lot of traveling, and I enjoy it, and I enjoy meeting and helping families. What I do is I basically travel across the country and assist people that were injured overseas, or they're injured in harbors or rivers or things like that, where they're afforded federal compensation rather than state compensation for their injuries. And what I do is, normally insurance companies will maybe accept a claim at first, but later on, when you're getting yourself together, they tend to try to minimize the value of your claim at any time that they can. And that's where I come in. I don't let them do that. I don't allow them to minimize your claim. They minimize your claim in many different ways. They deny surgeries for certain people. They may pay you an average weekly wage under the law that's too little. What they basically do is the insurance companies try to minimize your claim at every step of the way, and they just need one piece of paper to say something, to deny medical benefits, or to deny reimbursements, or to actually try to find a job that you're supposedly capable of doing to minimize your earning capacity. And that's their job. Every day they have lawyers on their side trying to minimize the value of your case. And I'm here to make sure that they don't succeed in doing that. What happens a lot of times is there's no way that the insurance company can deny your claim. Let's say you're in Afghanistan or Iraq and you were bombed. Well, they're obviously going to have to pay compensation for you for that at the beginning. So at the beginning, everything's fine. They pay for your hospital bills. They pay for your flight home. They start paying you compensation. And at some point in time, like I mentioned before, they're going to try to minimize the value of your claim. And what they do is they have complete control over your claim if you don't have an attorney. And they can do things behind the scenes without telling you. That they can find vocational exams and try to find jobs you're capable of doing to reduce your compensation. They can deny certain drugs, they can deny certain surgeries and certain treatments that they think is too expensive for you, and they try to do everything that they can do on the cheap. But in this law, you're entitled to doctors of your choosing, which we help you get, that are on your side and not on the insurance company's side. So basically, in summary, if you don't hire our firm and you don't hire me, that's okay. I just hope that you understand that I wish that you would hire an attorney. It doesn't have to be us if you're not comfortable with us. But make sure that attorney knows what they're doing, because this is a very complicated area of law. Make sure that they know everything about the Defense-Based Act and the Longshore Act, which are federal laws, not state laws. And the reason for that is basically, even if you think your insurance company is doing everything they can for you, and they're very nice, and your adjuster is fantastic, sooner or later down the road, they're going to try to minimize your benefits. That's just what they do, and that's why you need protection. Whether that be a day from now or 10 years from now, they're always constantly trying to minimize the value of your claim. Don't let that happen to you. Again, my name is Brian Wiklendt. I'm here at your service at Garfinkel Schwartz. I hope you call, but if you don't call me, please call an attorney that knows what they're doing to help you. I'm here signing out at the Titusville office in Florida. Thank you.